In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to n8n. We'll start inside your n8n workspace. Open n8n and head to the Workflows area, then either create a new workflow or open the one you want to enhance. Make sure you have edit access to the workflow so you can add and configure nodes. Having a clear goal in mind helps here. Maybe you want to send emails from an automation or trigger a process whenever a new message arrives. On the canvas, add a new node and use the search bar to look for Microsoft Outlook. Select the Microsoft Outlook node. This node lets you work with Outlook Mail, and it supports both actions like sending a message and triggers like reacting to a new email. Before you can use it, you'll connect your Outlook account through credentials. In the credentials panel, choose OAuth 2 as the authentication method, then click Create New Credential. OAuth 2 is the secure, modern standard for connecting apps without sharing your password directly. If you're using a cloud or managed n8n setup, the default configuration is typically ready to go. If you run n8n yourself, ensure your instance is reachable on the correct URL so Microsoft can complete the OAuth handshake. Next, click Connect My Account. This opens a Microsoft sign-in window. Select or sign in to the Outlook account you want to use with n8n. If you're part of an organization, you might see a prompt indicating an admin must approve the connection. That's normal for some tenant policies and can be handled by your IT admin. When prompted, review and grant the requested permissions so n8n can access your Outlook data as needed. These permissions allow actions like sending email or listening for new messages. Approving them completes the authorization and securely links your account to n8n. You'll be returned to n8n and the credential status should show as connected. With the account verified, you can now choose what you want the Outlook node to do. Select an action such as send email to automate outbound messages. Just provide the recipient, subject, and content fields in your node configuration. Or choose a trigger like on message received to kick off your workflow automatically whenever a new email hits your inbox, perfect for routing requests, logging communications, or launching follow-up steps. If the sign-in window doesn't appear, enable pop-ups for n8n in your browser. If authorization fails, double-check that you're using the correct account and that your organization allows third-party app connections. And that's it. Your Outlook account is now connected to n8n and ready to power your automations.